5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, some landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Bye. Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various rate plans and payment policies. To book it, you can go to the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check